Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we are unboxing DJI Mini 2SC. On the right side of the box you see DJI branding. On the left side you see some of the key features of the drone. On the back side you see we have compatibilities with iPhone and Final Cut Pro. So this is the box. So let me quickly go ahead and open the seal and show you what is inside. Alright, so let's open the lid. Here we go. So as you can see we have a backpack here. This is a Flymo combo backpack. Let me keep the box aside. Alright, so let me quickly open the zip and show you what we have. So we see the three major things here. The first one is RC-N1 controller. The second one is the battery hub. The third is drone itself. So let me quickly see what else we have inside the box. So we have few of the connectors, extra propellers that we'll talk about later in the video. And apart from that we have quick start guide. I don't see any other things inside the box. So let me keep the back side and let's talk about the drone. So this is a drone which comes with a polycarbonate material and it has a propeller guard which kept it closed enough and compact enough to keep it safe for travel. So this is RC-N1 controller. This controller is sturdy. It feels little heavier but it's very good in hands. This is a battery hub. So this comes with two batteries. We have a third battery which is inside the drone. And this is USB-A to USB-C. This is used for charging. And we have extra connectors. These are for connecting your phone to the RC-N1 controllers. We have screwdriver for propellers. And these are the three extra pairs of propellers that we get inside the box. So these are the major things that we have. So talking about the drone again. So drone is having a camera guard, as you can see. So let me quickly unwrap the propeller guard here and show you how it looks unpacked. So propeller guard is made up of a rubber and the material is actually really nice. To open this drone you need to first open the larger arms of this drone. So in comparison with phone it looks smaller but it weighs less, so which is actually good. So we have a swing arm, we have a folded arm. So let's first open the folded arm. Folded arm is the actually taller arm and the swing arms are actually smaller. So the propellers are actually made of a polycarbonate again, and this is a very sharp bladed propeller, so we have to be very careful when you are touching it while flying, because if you touch it while flying it will give you bruises. So this is how it looks unpacked. It's a very compact drone. Yeah, it looks even smaller than the RC-N1 controller. So these are the things which we get inside the box. We get drone, we get RC-N1 controller, we get a backpack, 3 batteries, charging hub, 18 screws, 1 screwdriver, extra propellers which we get 3 pairs. We get USB connectors, so C to C, C to lightning, C to micro. We get propeller holder and we get user manual. So these are the 11 items that we get inside the box. This drone is feature loaded, so let's talk about its feature one by one. Talking about the weight, so this drone weighs less than 249 grams, which makes it under nano category. Also it packs with intelligent modes, so some of them are drone, rocket, circle. Also we can see the video transmission till 10 kilometers, so which is sufficient enough. The drone can resist a wind of up to 38 km per hour. With its 3-axis gimbal, the video looks very stable even how harsh the winds are. The battery gives you 31 minutes of flight time, so that means with 3 batteries you get overall 90 minutes, which is more than sufficient. Talking about the camera, we get 1 by 2.3 inch CMOS 12 megapixel camera with 83 degree of field of view with f2.8 aperture, and ISO range can go up to 3200. So this camera is sufficient enough for recording low lights. Let me show you how the bonus shot looks like. So if you made it so far, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I see you in the next one.